Let us recall. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Addition means put together or added together. It is represented by the symbol plus. Now let us count and add. Let us count the number of dots in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this box, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. How many dots are there in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Let's count the dots in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this box, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Now you count the number of dots in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many dots in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is 8 plus 5? 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Let's count the dots in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Fill in the boxes. 1 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 1. 10 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 10. 14 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 14. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Word problems in addition. Ravi has 5 red balls and 3 green balls. How many balls does he have in all? Red balls is equal to 5. Green balls is equal to 3. Total number of balls is equal to 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. So the answer is Ravi has 8 balls. A fruit seller has 40 oranges and 25 apples in his shop. How many fruits does he have in all? A fruit seller has oranges 40, apples 25. So total number of fruits is equal to 65. How did we get 65? We added the numbers in the ones place. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. And then we added the numbers in the tens place. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we got 40 plus 25 is equal to 65. There are 19 boys and 23 girls in a class. How many children are there in the class? Number of boys is equal to 19. Number of girls is equal to 23. We must add 19 plus 23. Adding the ones column, we get 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Change 12 to 1 tens and 2 ones. Write 2 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Now add the tens place. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. So total number of children in the class is equal to 42. Uma has 40 rupees. Her father gave her 20 rupees more. How much does she have now? 40 plus 20 is equal to 60 rupees. 32 children were playing in the park. 10 more children joined them. How many children were playing? 32 plus 10 is equal to 42. 42 children were playing. In a bus, there were 23 men, 32 women and 12 children. How many passengers were there in the bus? 23 plus 32 plus 12 is equal to 67 passengers. In a library, there are 50 Tamil books and 40 English books. What is the total number of books in the library? 50 plus 40 is equal to 90 books. In a cricket match, Arul scored 19 runs and John scored 24 runs. How many runs did both of them score? 19 plus 24 is equal to 43 runs. In a pond, there are 18 lily flowers and 15 lotus flowers. How many flowers are there in the pond? 18 plus 15 is equal to 33 flowers. Now let us do some mind maths. In a basket, there are 30 mangoes and 10 bananas. How many fruits are there in the basket? 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. In a farm, there are 20 goats and 30 cows. How many cattle are there in the farm? 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. On Saturday, I read 30 pages of a storybook. I read another 20 pages on Sunday. How many pages did I read in all? 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. In 2 queues, there were 40 men and 50 women. How many people were there in the queues? 40 plus 50 is equal to 90. 60 coconut saplings and 10 mango saplings were planted in a farm. Find the total number of saplings in the farm. 60 plus 10 is equal to 70.